Okay, investors, so welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm talking about KIT. So ticker symbol is KITS. So this company is a digital eyewear company that provides eyewear for people everywhere, and this company also has a huge potential, which I will get into in this video. But if you want further due diligence and further research into this company, then click the link in the description down below. But yeah guys, as always, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe down below to support the channel and follow this journey. And also my free Discord is linked down below, so join the free Discord for early buying opportunity. But yeah guys, so first I'm gonna give you an overview about this company. So the company is called KIT, so KIT's Eyecare, and the company IPO'd earlier this year in January to raise $55 million, which will help scale up the company immensely, and we'll get into this later on in the video. So the Canadian ticker symbol is KITS and the OTC ticker symbol is KTYCF. And at the time of recording this video, the stock is sitting at $8.23. So as always, this is a sponsored video, so I was paid to give an honest review and an honest overview about this company. So watch through to the end for the full due diligence into this company. But yeah guys, so now let's get into what the company does and also the company's business. So KITS Eyecare is a digital eye care platform that offers sunglasses, contact lenses, and also normal glasses. And also the company has a cutting-edge technology that allows for online eyewear fitting, and also allows customers to virtually try on the glasses before buying it. And also it has an integrated online vision test, so everything is practically done digitally. So if you have a prior prescription glasses, then you can take the online vision test to find the glasses that's more suitable for you. And also you can use the virtual fitting tool to find the right fitting glasses. So everything is done digitally, and this is very crucial considering the current pandemic we're in, whereby a lot of shops and stores are shut. So everything being done digitally means you can do everything at the comfort of your own home without having to go outside and risk catching COVID. But yeah guys, so this company, as you can see, offers a wide range of glasses, regular glasses, sunglasses, and also contact lenses. And also you can have a custom framed, so you can have them customized to your own personal liking. And also the company has high brands such as Ray-Ban, and this is actually a good thing because I feel like it will help elevate the company's own lenses, which is basically the same thing but more affordable. So not everyone can afford a Ray-Ban, so people might want the cheaper alternative, which will be the company's own alternative. But yeah guys, so this company has been in operation since 2018, and in 2020 the company sold 65,000 pairs of glasses, so that is huge. And currently the company's production capacity is 2,000 eyeglasses per day, and they hope to scale this up to a capacity of 10,000 eyeglasses per day, which is huge growth. And also the company estimates that the lifetime customer value is $600 each through repeat services. So the company has a 69% repeat customer, and also overall customer satisfaction of 94%, and this is based on 100,000 customer reviews. So this is huge, and it means that people actually like the service, and this will contribute immensely to the future growth of this company, and also to the future revenue, and also the share price potentially going up. But yeah guys, so now let's get into the share price. So this company IPO'd at the start of this year to raise a proceed of $55 million, and the company actually described or went through where the money is going towards. So $10 million is going towards the lab facility, and $12 million is going towards sales and marketing, and $8.5 million is going towards paying off their debt, and $10 million is going towards working capital, which is the general stuff such as the business expenses. So the company is paying off their debt, increasing marketing, and also greater cash flow, and I believe this will help them in the future immensely to scale up the business. So the company actually IPO'd at $8.50, and at the time of recording this video, the stock is sitting at $8.23. So the value actually went down since it IPO'd. Then if you take stocks such as Coinbase, which when it IPO'd, it shot up huge. However, with this stock, Kit, is not as popular, it's not as well known, it's not a big tech. So for me, I feel like it's still underlooked. So this company does not have a lot of attention, hence why we don't see a spike. But all this mean is that it's still at a good value. So you rather get a stock when it's cheap than rather chasing the stock when it's going up. But yeah guys, and also one more thing about the company that I like is that there's a large insider holding. So the CEO holds 27.4% outstanding shares, and also the CFO owns 11.9% outstanding share. So combined, that's nearly 40% of the company owned by the CEO and the CFO. And insider buying of shares for me means that they actually believe in the company. So for them to put their own money on the line means that they believe in the business and they're willing to work hard to scale this business up. Then we can see the share price go up as well. But yeah guys, so very quickly, I'm just going to talk about the CEO, who I believe will play a big role in this company growing in the future. So the CEO is called Roger Hardy. So he founded a company called Coastal.com, which sells online contact lenses. So he actually started this, I believe, back in 2004. Then he sold it in 2014 for a whopping $400 million. And now Kit is valued at $260 million. And I believe that the CEO has the potential to scale up this business to even the same scale as the other one or even above, especially since the Eyecare market is valued at $35.2 billion and the contact lens market is valued at $7.2 billion. And this company is in both market, and also this means huge growth. So yeah guys, so let's go over the company's last quarterly earnings. So last quarterly earning, the company saw a growth of 60% year on year with over 700,000 active customers, and the overall revenue for 2020 was $75 million, and this is a growth of 51% compared to 2019, and this is despite the whole COVID going on. So yeah, so lastly, I'm going to touch on the analysts and what the analysts have to say about this company. So this company has a strong buy rating based off 2 analysts, and also has an average price target of $15, so lows of 13 and highs of $17. So this is nearly double the current price of this stock, which is $8. So this company has a huge upside and a huge potential, and clearly the analyst sees it as well. So this business model, the digital eye care, is for me is very innovative, because especially in a time like this, the whole pandemic, because you can do everything at the comfort of your own home. You can fit the glasses and also get your eye test at the comfort of your own home. So this for me is a very innovative company with huge growth upcoming, and also has a good management team and a good CEO that can take the stock up huge. So now the stock is sitting at $8.23. So it's not moved much since it IP'd. And this is due to a lack of attention. However, I do believe that the company has a good business model and also the potential to scale up their business, which will reflect in the stock price. So this can be a potential good long-term investment with huge potential and huge gains in the future. But yeah guys, so this is definitely a stock that you want to do further due diligence and further research into. So I'll leave a link down below in the description for you to look into this company further. But yeah guys, as always, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe down below. And also, I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't buy a stock because I suggest to do so. So always do your own research and your own due diligence before investing your money into any stock. And also, my free Discord is linked down below, so join the free Discord for early buying opportunity. But yeah guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.